everyone at the Real Cities event in London. This is the third edition, and I'm thrilled to have so many familiar faces here. As you know, this is an invitation-only event where C-level executives meet with government, cities and users during the upcoming 2 days.
So I hope you're going to have a fruitful discussions these 2 days, and thank you once again.
This is to me a major milestone, and I wanted to mark this point in time, November 2024, because this business is there at all levels and we need to get there all together as an industry.